Beta, question number 4 is find the least number which must be subtracted from the given numbers so as to get a perfect square, and also find the square root of the perfect square number. It means that the number whatever is given to you is not a perfect square and something must be subtracted from this to get a perfect square, and that the number whatever is to be subtracted you are going to find out. Students, in my earlier video, I told you about the smallest number by which we must multiply or divide to get a perfect square. And what was the method? I told you that whenever the question is of multiply or divide, you will always use prime factorization. Now, when the question is something to be subtracted or something to be added, you will be using always the division method, what I told in my earlier video. Division method. So now here the question is of subtracted. It means you have to go by division method. And the first step of division method was you were supposed to make the pairs. This number is without decimal, so the pairing is to be started from here. These two digits are in first pair and the leftover digit, only one digit is left, so the pairs are completed now. 2 2s are 4. I told you equal to this or less than this. Now this was a perfect square. So 2 2s are 4. Division is completed. The next divisor, whatever is the quotient multiplied by 2. 2 into 2, that's 4. अब इसके साथ एक डिजिट आपको लिखनी है. Before that, what is the next digit to be brought down and the remainder? That's 0 2. अब आप 4 से डिवाइड करो. 4 से तो नहीं करना है ना आपको, यहाँ पे एक डिजिट और लिखनी है. The smallest digit that you can write is 0 and the greatest digit that you can write is 9. If you take 1, 41 into 1, that will be 41. Now 41 is greater than 2, so you cannot go with 41. तो आप क्या लोगे यहाँ पे डिजिट? Yeah, absolutely correct. Whatever you are thinking, it's 0. अब आपने 0 लिखा है तो 0 से ही मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. Any number multiplied by 0 is 0 only. So now 2 is your remainder. पहले 2 रिमाइंडर नहीं था, पहले तो आपने डिजिट नीचे उतारी थी. वो डिवीजन वॉज टू बी कैरिड आउट. नाउ दिस 2 इज द रिमाइंडर. एंड व्हाट विल बी यू राइट ओवर हियर द क्वेश्चन. अब आपने 0 डिजिट ऐड करी थी, सो इट इज 0. अब कोई और पेयर तो है ही नहीं आपके पास जो आप नीचे उतारोगे, एंड द फर्दर द डिवीजन इज टू बी डन. सो नाउ दिस इज योर रिमाइंडर. सो दिस इज द नंबर what is to be subtracted, the smallest number which must be subtracted. आप यहाँ पे लिखोगे number to be subtracted is equal to 2. And what is the perfect square number now? Perfect square number is equal to the original number whatever was given minus the remainder, that's equal to 400. And it was asked find the square root of 400. You were supposed to calculate find the square root of 400. So do it again. 400, last two digits one pair, this digit one pair. 2 2s are 4. Nothing to be left. Next pair, बेशक से 0 आपको नीचे तो उतारना पड़ेगा ना, ये तो पेयर बना हुआ है आपका. So these two zeros, what will be the divisor here? 4. अब ये ना कहना कि मैम 0 है तो ये रिमाइंडर है. जब तक डिवीजन कंप्लीट नहीं हो जाएगा रिमाइंडर नहीं बचा अभी हमारा. सो वी आर गोइंग टू मल्टीप्लाई बाय 0. दिस 0. सो 0 zeros are 0. नाउ योर डिवीजन इज completed and this is your remainder. So 0 is the remainder. So square root of 400, the answer is 20. I'll take one more sum and it will be more clear to you by that. For example, I'm taking this 1989. So what must be subtracted from this number so that your number obtained is a perfect square number? Better just carefully see the videos and do practice of them. The first step, pairing these two. 19 is your first pair. So what is the digit that we will be writing here? 4 4s are 16, 5 5s are 25. So the smaller one is 4. 4 4s are 16. Remainder 3. Next pair is to be brought down, that is 89. The pair, अकेला 8 नीचे नहीं आएगा. The full pair is to be brought down. Yes, यहाँ पे क्या आएगा अब डिवाइजर? जो भी क्वेश्चन था उसको 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करना था. 4 2 ज़ा 8. अब 8 को किसी चीज़ से मल्टीप्लाई करना है, एनी डिजिट. सो व्हाट इज़ दैट अप्रॉक्सीमेटेड डिजिट कि इससे जस्ट छोटा आ जाए. थिंक ऑफ द, सपोज आई हैव टेकन 4. 4 4 ज़ा 16, 4 8 ज़ा 32 एंड 1 33. 85 जो लिखते हैं उसी से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. रिटर्न 5, सो आई विल बी मल्टीप्लाइंग बाय 5. 5 5 ज़ा 25, 5 8 ज़ा 40, 40 plus 2 42. Now you can think what will come here. If I take digit 5, the answer is 425 and it's greater than this. So it's not going to be greater than this. So if I take 336, it means this is the before 5. If I take 4, it will come this. So it's appropriate. 4 za 336. 9 minus 3, sorry, 9 minus 6 is 3 and 8 minus 3 is 5. So number to be subtracted. What is the number to be subtracted? 53. And your perfect square number? It's equal to 1989 minus 53, and that's equal to 639. So this is your perfect square number obtained, and you are also supposed to calculate whatever the perfect square, the square root of that, it means the square root of 1936. Now students, you already know the answer. What is the square root of this? Whatever was here, that is going to be the answer. But you need to carry it out this once again. So 1936 pair 4 4 ज़ा 16. It's just a repetition only. From your upper part you can see it will be 8 4 ज़ा 336, and the division is completed. So square root of 1936 is equal to 44. So this was the case when something was to be subtracted to obtain a perfect square number.